4, which appears at page 5 of the supplementary bundle, was explain the frequency or number of instances of your meetings or interactions with Sergeant Nkosi and the purpose of such meetings or interactions. Please also indicate whether you've discussed or informed Sergeant Nkosi of any matters relating to City of Tshwane or Tshwane Metropolitan Police Department. If you have done so, please explain what the legitimate basis, if any, was for so doing. And you respond to that at page 4 of your affidavit from paragraph 18. And maybe if you can, again, read your response, amplify anything you want to amplify.
Okay, thank you, Chair. Paragraph 18, I confirm that I met up with Sergeant Nkosi on a number of occasions during the course of our friendship. Chairperson, I cannot state the exact number or the frequency of these meetings, unfortunately, at this stage. I can, however, confirm that we saw each other on a regular basis and that we did spend a considerable amount of time in each other's company, of course, time and work schedules permitting. I met Sergeant Nkosi during an extremely difficult and emotional turbulent period in my personal life, Chair. At the time, I was going through a deeply painful and hostile divorce, which placed me under immense emotional strain. I found Sergeant Nkosi to be a good listener. I found myself confiding in him increasingly, seeking personal guidance and advice, relying on him for support with respect to the personal challenges that I was facing at the time. Chairperson, I felt that I could trust him and that he would not betray my confidence. He is an older gentleman than I am, and obviously I found within his life experience, which he often shared with me, of great value and of assistance to guide me during this extremely difficult period and time of my life. I did find it easy as our friendship. I'm going to swear, Chair.
Do you swear that the evidence you are going to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? If so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you.
Chair, Commissioners, you may have seen that there was an application for a certain part of Mr. Mnisi's testimony to be heard in camera. I'm still confident that we can resolve this issue without a full-blown application, but what we've agreed for the purposes of today is that I will certainly not ventilate any of those issues in open commission. For the purposes of taking Mr. Mnisi through his statement, I might merely ask him to confirm certain paragraphs without reading them, so that the content of the paragraphs is confirmed. Commissioners know what they say, but it's not ventilated publicly or shown publicly. And hopefully over the weekend the parties can resolve how to sort out this problem. We're confident it can be.
Thank you. On that approach, Ms. Fannie here, I don't think there's much to respond to, at least at this stage, not at this stage.
I confirm that we've reached that agreement at this point in time, Commissioners and Mr. Chairman, and we're happy to proceed on the basis as suggested by Mr. Shaskelson. May I please?
Thank you, thank you.
And then just to check that we're all on the same page in relation to documents. Leaving aside the in-camera application, which we don't need to deal with, there should be 6 files. The first file is a file of Mr. Mnisi's statement. And so, sorry, Mr. Mnisi, can you, while I'm going through the documents, can you also check that you've got that you have everything that you need as well?
May one of the attorneys please go over to just also make sure.
Sorry, Mr. Mnisi, I've just been told that you, like me, are going paperless today. Yes. That'll be great for me and you to be on the same page, but I'm going to be referring to file numbers for the purposes of the commission. And there is I just need to clarify with you that you'll understand me when I refer to particular page numbers, because although the numbers stay the same, initially they were bundled differently. So if you're on if what I take the commissioners through doesn't match what's on your screen, let me know, and then I can refer to both references.